Hey, what's up guys, it's Flex and welcome back. If you guys been following the Audi A4 build, I've already upgraded from the stock 18-inch wheels to some 19-inch gloss black wheels. Unfortunately, we had a really rough winter, and I haven't really told you guys, but two of the wheels are bent. And that's what happens when you have 19-inch wheels with low-profile tires riding in Massachusetts with these really rough roads. So instead of repairing those wheels, I decided to get some brand new 19-inch wheels, well, brand newish, off Facebook Marketplace, and I got them for a really good deal. These are the wheels that I got for the car. And I got that whole entire set with tires for around $600, which is a pretty good deal. And they look pretty good. The only thing I don't like about the wheels are the fact that they have a polished finish. It's a little too blingy for me. So what I'm going to be doing today before I install the wheels on the Audi A4 is I actually want to wrap them. And no, I'm not going to be using actual vinyl wrap. That's actually really hard to do, and I don't know if it's going to hold up really well. So what I'm going to be using is a product that you guys turned me on to, and that's Superwrap. And if you're not familiar with Superwrap, it's basically the world's first sprayable vinyl wrap. And I want to say they're the first to have a super gloss sprayable vinyl wrap. And if you go to the website, they actually carry a bunch of different kits for different applications. You can spray a bike, you can spray wheels, you can spray calipers, and I think they also have car kits as well. And the cool thing about their products is once you spray it, and if you don't like it, or if you want to go with a different color, you peel it right off. So today, I'm going to be using Superwrap's Onyx Black Wheel Kit. And this kit basically comes with everything that I need to super wrap the wheels. And I want to thank Superwrap for sponsoring this video and providing me with the kit. And if you want more information on Superwrap or the kit I used in this video, I'll leave links in the description below. So now, let me show you the kit that I'm going to be using to install on the car. We're going to prep the wheels, we're going to spray the wheels, and then I'll show you the final results.
So here's the wheel kit, and check this out. This is the Onyx Black. And I think that color is going to look so good on the wheels, and it's going to have a nice shimmer to it as well. So the wheel kit comes with gloss black as a base and onyx black as a top coat. I should get about 10 to 12 coats, and that's what I want. It also comes with this prep spray, which will make sure the wheels are completely clean before I start spraying. And also, I got this. I bought this separately. This is Trigger. This is going to make sure I have a nice consistent spray pattern. The first step is to thoroughly wash the wheel with soap and water. I'm washing the face of the wheel and also the inner barrel of the wheel as well. To rinse the wheel, since I don't have a hose except for this bucket of water, I'm going to use this portable shower. It's pretty cool. One end goes into the bucket of water. It has a battery pack with a little trigger button, and as soon as I push that, it'll start giving me a nice stream of water. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use a microfiber towel and thoroughly dry the wheel inside and out. And once the wheel's dry, I can go ahead and start taping off the valve stem. And I'm going to start taping off the tire as well. So I went ahead and taped around the wheel. I put tape and drape along the side. I still have some tires showing through, so I'm going to go in with another layer of tape just to have a nice clean line around the wheel. And now that the tire is fully taped off, I'm going to go ahead and use a prep spray and start spraying and wiping down the entire wheel. This is to make sure there's no dust, there's no dirt, there's no waxes or contaminants before I start spraying the wheel. So I'm going to go ahead and spray 2 wheels at a time. I actually have them inside this portable spray booth that I got on Amazon. I think it's made by a company called Right. It's actually pretty nice. I'll spray the wheels, and then once it's done, I'll pull down this cover so it protects it from any dust going in, and also it protects from overspray hitting all my stuff. So that's really convenient. I'm going to start by spraying the gloss black as a base coat. I'm going to spray about 5 to 6 coats, waiting about 10 minutes between each coat, and that's to ensure a nice smooth finish. I'm going to use a trigger so it's easy to spray, and I'm going to wear a respirator mask. So the first coat is going to be really light. It's almost like a tack coat, and also it's going to allow me to see if there's any imperfection in the wheel or in the prep before I go ahead and proceed with the rest of the coats. So after 10 minutes, now I'm going to go with my wet coats. So after 6 coats, now I can go ahead and start prepping for the next coat, and now I'm going to use the Onyx Black. For the Onyx Black, I'm going to lay down about 5 to 6 coats, waiting 10 minutes between each coat, and each coat is going to be a wet coat. So I just finished the last coat. It's still wet. I'm going to go ahead and start peeling off the tape. And I have to do this very careful just in case the liquid wrap bridged the wheel and the tape. But it's coming off pretty easy. So now that it's done, I'm going to go ahead and let this dry overnight before I can handle it and install it on the car. Well, here it is, guys. What do you think? I think it looks awesome. I love how the fact that the Onyx Black is not super black like a gloss black, so you can actually really see the details of the wheel. I think that looks really good. And it really complements the color of my car and also all the black accents that I installed on the car. Yeah, that looks pretty aggressive. And you can see all these little flakes as well. Adds a really nice touch to it. I want to show you guys the other side. So the other side is kind of in the dark, so you'll see how the wheel looks in a darker setting. See, it's definitely darker, but it's still not black, and that's what I like about it. Oh, that looks so good. I think Onyx Black was a really good choice.
I don't know about you guys, but I love the way it turned out. It looks freaking amazing. They look like brand new wheels, and I really like the way the Onyx Black complements everything I've already done to my Audi A4. Again, if you're interested in Superwrap, check them out in the link below. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.